Ever received a voice note or audio file on Telegram and wanted to save it to your phone for easy access later? Whether it's a favorite song, an important message, or just something you want to revisit, saving Telegram audio to your Android files is actually pretty straightforward once you know how. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you'll need, and by the end, you'll be able to save those valuable audio files right into your device's music folder. No confusion or hassle. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Telegram app on your Android device. Just tap on the Telegram icon like you normally do when checking messages. Make sure you're logged into your account. It's best to do this somewhere with a stable internet connection, because loading audio files can take a moment if they're large or your Wi-Fi is a bit spotty. Now, you'll need to locate that specific audio file you want to save. If you've got lots of chats or channels, don't worry, Telegram has a handy search feature that can help. If you remember who sent you the audio, you can scroll through your chat list and tap on that conversation. But if you can't recall exactly where it is, or you get tons of messages like I do, here's a tip. Use the search function, which is usually at the top right. Tap on the magnifying glass icon and enter a few keywords that might be in the audio's description or the sender's name. If it's a song, you can try the title, or if it's a voice note, the chat name. So once you've found the audio file in your conversation list, go ahead and tap on it, don't play it just yet. Look closely for the three dots in the top right corner of the audio message. They might look small. Tap on those three dots. This is where Telegram hides a lot of its useful options. When you tap the three dots, you'll see a small menu pop up. Look for the option that says Save to Music. Go ahead and select that. What this does is tell Telegram to export that audio directly into your device's music folder, which means you won't have to keep coming back into Telegram just to listen to it. Pretty handy if you want to use the audio in other apps or just have it in your regular playlist. Now you might be wondering how to find that file after saving it. To double check that it's all worked, and sometimes, depending on your Android version or file manager, it might be stored in a slightly different folder, you'll want to use your File Explorer app. Here's an easy way though, even if you're not familiar with poking around device folders. Just open your Music app or whichever app you use to play audio files. You can also use the search function again within Telegram if you feel more comfortable there. Tap Search, then go into the Music category. This should show you all audio files you've received and salvaged on Telegram. If your audio doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Sometimes, depending on file size or your device, the process takes a few extra moments. Refresh the Music app or check again in a minute. Occasionally, audio files might be saved in a Telegram audio or downloads subfolder, so if needed, use your file manager to explore those areas. And there you have it. You've now saved your Telegram audio directly to your Android device, ready to enjoy whenever you want. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop me a comment below. I love hearing from you and I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.